Be real for a second. You're in college. Tuition is crazy. Student loans are scary. And every day feels like you're running, but not moving. Then you open TikTok or Instagram. Some 21-year-old says, I quit college, I trade stocks, I'm free. And you think, am I wasting my life? Don't skip this video, because this belief is quietly destroying students across America. Intro, why this hits USA students hard. In the US, pressure hits early. Be successful by 25. Don't fall behind. Don't waste time. Don't waste money. You're told college is the key, but nobody explains how long the road really is. So when day trading promises fast money, your tired brain listens. Let's talk honestly. No hype, no fear, just truth. Part 1. Morning reality. Why day trading looks like freedom. Morning alarm. Classes you don't love. A future that feels unclear. Your brain wants control. Day trading sells, work from anywhere. No boss, no waiting years. But here's the science part, simple and real. Fast money equals fast dopamine. And dopamine kills patience. Most students aren't chasing money, they're chasing relief. Quick action right now. Ask yourself, do I want trading? Or do I want my stress to stop? Be honest. Part 2. The real scam. It's not the stock market. Let's clear this up. The stock market is not a scam. Long-term investors build wealth there every year. The real scam is social media trading gurus, fake profit screenshots, rented cars and Airbnb flexing courses sold to broke students. Hard truth. If someone could make consistent money day trading, they wouldn't need to sell a course to 19-year-olds. Older brother truth, they make money from you, not the market. Part 3. Afternoon energy. Why students fail at trading. Most college students trade between classes, after studying late afternoon or night. That's when your brain is tired. And a tired brain breaks rules, chases losses, overtrades markets don't care about effort. They punish emotion. Losing money hurts, but losing confidence hurts more. Rule to remember, if you can't focus for 45 minutes in class, you can't manage risk in the market. Part 4. Real story, very common in the US. A student starts with stimulus money, or savings, or a part-time paycheck. First loss, it's okay. Second loss, I'll recover. Third loss, stress, anxiety, shame. Soon, GPA drops, sleep disappears, self-doubt grows, he doesn't tell friends, doesn't tell parents. That silence is heavy, and no guru talks about this part. Part 5. Evening comparison trap. Nighttime is dangerous. You scroll. Everyone looks ahead. Everyone looks rich. But social media shows outcomes, not process. Truth. Most successful Americans didn't get rich fast. They compounded skills. They invested slowly. They stayed boring and won. Quick habit, start tonight. Replace 30 minutes of trading content with one skill video, one resume upgrade, one focus task, small wins rebuild motivation. Part 6. What actually works for students in the USA? Smart path for students. Learn high-income skills. Build internships or projects. Invest small long-term, ignore fast money noise. Day trading is a professional sport, not a college side hustle. You don't need to be rich at 22. You need to be stable at 27. Part 7. If you still want to learn trading, do it safely. Paper trade only. No real money for months. Strict rules. Zero emotional trading. Never trade. Rent money. Tuition money. Loan money. That's not bravery. That's pressure. Final message. Emotional close. You're not behind. You're not failing, you're just early. Fast money looks tempting when the future feels uncertain, but slow growth builds real confidence, and confidence lasts longer than cash. Call to action. Natural and friendly. If this video helped you think clearly, hit like. If you want honest advice for student life in the US, subscribe and share this with one friend who's about to gamble their future chasing fast money. Your life is bigger than one trade. Protect it.